Today you will be creating a bright and colorful artwork that represents a very favorite place that you have been. You will draw a suitcase or a backpack full of things that represent how you felt when you were there and the things that you did. You'll start by brainstorming your ideas. You are being inspired by an acrostic poem that you created, so type out the name of your poem, then think about what the weather was like there, what you needed to wear, because that could be something you pack in your luggage. Then you can think about what you did there and if you needed to pack anything special. And then the last thing you'll want to brainstorm is what is something that you remember and visualize when you think about this place that you had gone. This is your brainstorming page that you'll use on Seesaw. This is my poem titled Frisco. My family went to Frisco to root on the football team, the Jackrabbits. My cousin, number 60, plays for SDSU, and they won the championship on the football field. So I brainstormed some things that I could pack in my bag. I have my game tickets, sunglasses because it's nice in Frisco, Texas. I wanted to pack clothes that I would wear that have the Jackrabbits on them. And then I packed a marker because I made a sign for my cousin at the football game. And I even added a trophy because they were winners. These are things that represent how I remember this trip to Frisco. Next, you get to decide if you're going to use a luggage or a backpack to draw your items in. I looked online to find icons of each thing that I brainstormed, so I'm looking at simple images that I found to draw in my backpack. Make sure you draw them big to fill the space, and notice how I have some overlapping. My tickets are behind my sunglasses, my sign is behind the trophy. Outline everything in Sharpie and color it in. When you're done drawing, you'll get to choose one paint color to fill in all the white space of your luggage. This will make it so your items stand out. Make sure you swirl 10 times into your paint and touch into your water, and go slowly and carefully so that you don't cover up anything special that you drew in your backpack or your suitcase. Fill in all of the white spaces when you are painting. Once your paint is dry, you'll get to use a big Sharpie marker to go over your lines of your luggage or your backpack. Go slowly and carefully, and it's okay if these lines cover up some of the things that you drew. Kind of looks like we have X-ray vision when we're looking at our backpack so we can see what's inside. One more example, I did a poem about the beach and I did it in a suitcase. Again, make sure when you draw, you're drawing things big and have them overlapping. Outline in Sharpie and color in with markers, crayons, or colored pencils. For my beach one, I decided to use all warm colors to represent that I love how warm it is at the beach. When you're done coloring everything in, you'll outline in Sharpie and then paint the background of your luggage in one color, going slowly and carefully. When this project is completely done, we'll cut out our suitcase or our backpack and we'll add our poem to go along with it. At the end, you'll glue it on to a background color that represents how this trip or this place made you feel. Good luck!